school in Kibira n'abantu nywena batalibanizibwe gyenyikara muhumule kandi nisaba abebembezi musobole kutukia report zabo tutwale mu office ya Prime Minister for relief.
Nkaburizo government baya
ego government yambe
honorable
government tuyambe
honorable Asinas okuruga Hoima
webale muno moderator wa program eno TV West nindamukia abahuliriza n'abarebi ba TV West ningaba mwasibaho muta mwebale mukuteekayo mukono mukama yebale kubalinda sasa na nyiwe nabarugirwa abagonzi babanyu muletanko bagambe arabatiro funi accident sasa na barugirwa abahirwa abagonzi babanyu batoloso nabalera abanyakuri mu marwaro nyongera no kusaba sabire mukama watoro. The news coming in is very in critical conditions. So tukusemera ku bantu sabira mukama sobole kuba na musumura. Nisima TV West abokumpa mugisa gunu kuija TV West. This is my almost first time kuba TV West. Kan nibanyitanya katasi nas kamanda umane mpiwa Hoima Oil City. Kan nikiwa nikona ka shadow minister wa Works and Transport on Parliament ya Uganda. Kan nikiwa nimba chairperson wa Uganda Women Parliamentary Association mu Western Uganda. Tiomuno TV West mwebale kumpa mugisa guno. Abantu ba Hoima West nimbara aba Hoima City, Bunyoro Sub-Region, Rwenzori, Kigezi, Toro, nyina nimbara mukia.
Oiro ningira ingono mwetayisiza.
Hoima ntayirana tutayira mugimba. Batu wile buona. Kuja kwa bantu bagambira when the first drop is coming out officially. Tuwatu gabo ineo.
Government kagira kumako kutego kuroza oiro Honorable Micho Francis yakora bakutureba pejero mission program.
Abari munongo mutebekanisa program nabakutureba abarigoko abakunda TV West nashimira kubareba nashimira kwijago n'umurundi nyakira abagenzi banje abina bo mu TV izoberi boy yagwerwa bo kuba bakazi ba mukizamani nabwo ico nyita affirmative action
kanushangu buzari abantu bakwemarira
nabwo ico wabano kure mu college uri kusereza ubwire baza bene mangu boyicayirdi na itagubwire na itaga affirmative action konkane kindi nishimira kugaruka aha kuganira hanshongeje ngaba nabagambire munyowe emyaka y'inama ziri mu parliament emyaka 10 nkajikoresa kuri bina benimbasa nawe cyo nisima babuhejo abo kumva chance kukore ebyo ibina benimbasa umushika kitu cyona nkana bagambire cyamuze yitiringana cyona hakahata karagamuga muntu nomwe akazana ngo nakashyuka LC1 mwene kushangu nyonkarga yoko naba member wa parliament naba na commissioner wa parliament nembabazi
simu wombicho
amin
nabo cyubona kuko utkata musingi umanyengu neza nazo nembabazi akubururu bugumire yobuza bebesimera bwa chema nelisiwana akairisiwana kagumire deshitaka akamember wa parliament kwako nawe nintwendera naheza kubavugana abantu abampagire hato wanje akari abantu binji bakushasha ngutana asinga konko umuntu wasingira nakari abantu binji bashemerwe ngo yasinga kwe nababuza 2016 ubu nasinga kina abatarashemeriro abirina gumu nasinga kina abatarashemeriro kandi ruhango uteza ruhango buringaniza mwini yaje no bari bashemererwa ho abwo nki mwene mugomwe nyije tumureka no bakatunga chance nabo shemererwa umuntu gumugomba no bakabataje kushemererwa gundi konga bakashemererwa ho gumwe hati abantu bashanka banyitegereza konga nahenda no kubagira nti Yesu akakora yo kutangaza byinji umunsomu abita kubasa kutambura batambura abatiri kuya barya abakene batungo ko barabiho konga no byakuze yo kutangaza kina abantu bamunamira bamukoma no kumwita bakora ki bamwita konga bakabata kumangu haro kuzoka hachiro cha kashatu akazoka mwe kagamba nti nimwe banamire mumanye nkaro kuzoka mwe kunashanga speranza lya na confirmation cyane ngamo kuzoka kozere ki uruhu akwa kamwe no parliament 10 wetiyagara ko mu 11 ngori yazoko mu 12 nabwo cyo kuzoka nakushanga
Urabona mwonga honorable akaburizo kuba kubyo kuramusya aba tureba okugwa kubyo kuramusya kuba genyu banje ninga saba hanuzu bitu reka tugumize muna program ensonga itwenda kuganira heri izoba government of withdrawing ninga so kwihaye moto kwezi kuzire ahanguto tax urwo kubanza nubwo program yegitandika yaronkingirwe minister w'ebyentambura honorable Fred Byamukama akana unsinga saka karangira ebiro 10 yo kubasa kubana bihe motoka ezikuziro mu mahanda ninga sa haruguto kibaseba kamabazo okuzitebekanisa ninga sikuzikora zikabasa nzigaruka haruguto omubuteka operation eki bakageta operation ganyigenya eze motoka zo kusanga mu ruguto sibire mu guhanyuma driver navuga kwasiro rwigi conductor ariyo akwasira higuru ngenzure tatahamu eze motoka zona ninga shachitero mchina mizigaretwa hansi oriyo motoka kunkano sharango rya hero so eze motoka zone ziyo mumberezo babasa kubantu bazakira kandi motoka okuri general minister akana jangwe motoka ezi nizireta za butanda kandi waza kureba butanda kane yabasize kubaneretwa statistics zabase kubanziretwa police report iyo mwaka 2025 neyoreka ngo abantu bari kwingana 5 15 bishatu kinana bashatu no base kubana bagumuza butandu kandi hari yabo obuchweka busatu kabuse abchweka buna abo abantu abakuba bari bagwira mu accident no bakubamba nubuziretwa za motoka zikwazi byo mu mberambi ezo kugeraniza idekera kandi hatu waza kureba accident says ezindi obuchweka kinana nizo because ngwenga siniziretwa abantu abakuba nibavugisha mama abakwenda kuvatekingiro mukono gutargo abakuvuga barengize makantu batirema ko kunywa hamwe n'ibindi kandi cyoreka ngo abantu bari kwingana 15 buri zoba 14 kuri abantu 15 nibo bakufa omuzabutandu ahango toza Uganda mweno muryeki nishikwebuza banyuma yeza emotoka report ne police ne yorekangu emotoka eziba kwasiro mwako ubu eziriyo mu mberambi harugutu nizingana emotoka bishatu 98 eziriyo mu mberambi eziba kwasira harugutu mwako 2026 mu report 2025 mwako gugo ogwahwire so cyorekangu orwo kubanza obo operation igetandika bakakwate motoka zo kwingana igana nshanju na munana ezabase once kwata harugutu mbwen hati chikwebuze cha leta studio gizobe nicyuze kugira ngo government etebekanise okuimplementing encourage obwa hati ndukutandika ni honorable Spelanza Baguma
wepale muno umutekaniza wa program kubanza nyikiriza nsime government habwe ntekanize gei batayiro kandi insabe tugihondereza paka kumalira habwo kuba habaireho ensonga nyingi ko kubazirambika okuvuga kubi okuvuga batokoize obwongo okuvuga motoka eziri mu nyikare talinungi dangerous mechanical condition mugesere nyigenya
ganyegenya ejemoto yujariza
ganyegenya we always call them DMCs, dangerous mechanical condition. Okuvuga hangu dombi abo kuba ito weitu na idweri mu turugira kuziko mwana wa motika ijuka abo kusangwa ngo urugudo rweitu rubi muno abantu bavugira kandi that is just one example beitu abantu bengi baferira rugudo so ebintu ebi byona bireteriza abantu baitu kufa kandi government nejunanizibwa kulinda abantu n'ebintu byabo kulinda obwomezi bw'abantu nabweki obuturukufa omumulingo gwa kubeni gusokutangirwa kandi government etenekiye kozera nkiba ntyoleko butafayo harubaju rwa government so ntokusibira muno government yange kandi mulingo gwembaganizo nisima minister wa works abo kuba izire mu namane maingi atyale mshaka nka minister nka full minister baitu amanya ga kutekamu nororangu aino mulingo gwa kutugarra mukunihira ngu haija kuba hikiembaganize kibairo guno murundi nabwo ensonga egi nisagikira kimu nti emotoka ezitali mu mulingo gukirizibwa kuba harugudo zihweho
honorable
zigende
emotoka kazange zibo mu berambi imwe nguto zanyu zibonire zo kuziba emotoka nunjo.
Now that is exactly what I was talking about. Ebintu ebikuletereza butandu harugudo bingi engudo kubambi nakyo kiri kimhalibyo, but at the same time hariho ebintu ebimwe bisokukolerwaho, hariho ebindi ebikukolwa bitu bikatwara obwire ekyo kururaho nko orugudo rwango kuruga Mityana kwika Kyenjojo rubaire mu Nyikarambi muno baitu kuruga Minister Fred Byamuka manager mu office tukaba tutire nduru aba members of parliament ababaire mu 11th parliament bakatoka contract tukasiga bagigabire mu 10th parliament no mulimo gutandikire emyaka 10 emyaka 7-8 orugudo tulikahuaga bechazo norora kurugira Minister Fred naija mu office atire hamani maingi arubasira agenzireyo aturukize kuragira rundi issuing instructions hati nekyo nosanga motoka birarugudo nibukora ikiru kumanyisa tuine kunihira ngo government hati izire mu mulingo gwembaganizo kukwata bulika sonda emotoka embi bazikwateho engudo ero kamba unfortunately ekingudo zote sokuva overnight kina kutwara kasumi baitu at least inturora haruho mulimo guliyo nigukorwa oku nikutoha kunihira
ba driver na ba conductor bombe itomira kugira ngo buri izuba nabagure motoka ensyaka nubo ino kujikanika abwenguto abwengudombe abo ngo mazima ito nko witu bintu tera mune nduru motoka zona zihwerira rugudo baitu hati government yobwera bizire tandikire kukwata hangudo ezezimu then ito nsemera tusagike tutekiho motoka ezikusoboka genda boko bwomezi bunu bwaitu bwomezi bwabana baitu government yobwine kyokora nito tugire kitwakora nkabantu government yobwereje kagamba leka kuvuga motoka yinya kuli mu Nyikarambi nito tukitangira boko nikikonyere itwe nkabantu kyonka nabo tutanga kutere nduru ngo na government ihikirizo bujunanizwa bwayo engudo zikorwe zibe mulingo murungi kandi engudo twabazaho hati engudo for example pereke kurora ya national road orugudo rwaitu kuruga Mityana kwikyenjojo kusanga ruli mulingo mubi no mu districts zaitu engudo zirikubi nyo district yangi ya Kyenjojo ijori nkaruga kukigambaho na floor of parliament kirungi speaker yansagika no sanga district inkoto muno district we kubankoto muno sente zibahayirwe ne baha 1 billion for all districts kyonka district yemu no sanga in 5,000 kilometers no 500 kilometers zengudo kukoleza amagombora neza district kyonka nyo hati nka district yange nyine 2,558 kilometers kandi twena tutunga bilioni yemwemu kandi obunyowe ezange tebaka upgradinga galiyo nezindi nyingi esemeri kuita stable mu sub county roads category ezindi semeri kutekwa mu district road category ezindi semeri no kutwara the national road network baitu tebaka zikwasira bokwani bahura zinu nyingi muno so no sanga grade yemu road unit yemu na billion yemu tizine kizuru kukora so omubyaro ebiruka byaitu nibisisikara buli kasumi nituhambirizibwa kusangwa byataha mu class nayo yokuba mu dangerous mechanical condition honorable mujishe eja chikita iwe no jirango government ready operating aninga sokutendeke eje nkore ya kuya imotoka ezikuzira rugudo
wewe runonga jime enshonga y'imotoka haruguto nkuru mnonga kandi koko kona runemba ya gamba government ishire kugira ngo erebe ngomotoka ziri haruguto zine breki zikwataje steering ne hitaje empira ne kora kurunji ehwireho nangwa n'injini zikinga kandi zigura kurunji guzuma n'umurimo gwa government iri kurabira omba traffic honka ninyenda ngo bakutureba kwantanka programme betegereze ngo ahentansi hagati ya old and dangerous mbere umuntu atajya kinyowe ndiyo traffic nare motoka yawe nkaro kweta nabire ukwe inenzo ukwe no mucucu ukwe hazirwe biti bya nyabushozi irikura mungu tombi kimanisa ngweje kuziri nga no basakushanga motoka nkeje irikura ba nyabushozi umbugando irikuzo mfamu enguto zirimbi ejiri ameza abiri ebiti byaje haramunonga neshana na neje ya Kampala ya mari myaka 20 so okura kwe motoka urukurebera ha myaka yemazira haruguto nikibaso butamanyisa kugira ngo yeriyo mu mberambi y'imotoka ne nkora ya motoka ko gukora ntabwo cyo takashira kugira ngo baziyeho ninga batazihaho tubanze twetegereze kuritiria echo kugenderwaho kugira ngo eje kuzire eje ko tarahanguto nikiya traffic act yore gambashi
mweno icheza ngo president agumize mnayebembera kuba hini yabira ko nimwe kuba mu tumbita abo opposition ngo akuziri yabiki so
ate cyo wareta nanka kineka kwate nechi abo kuba
tubashiteka kuri
no nchikwata ganeshi no reba emotoka nkuru iyo amazimagara ngo emotoka nkuru nenywa oiro nyingi. It is very expensive to manage an old vehicle.
Kunga abantu babakiriyo
n'ubajya. Konka ntoni intansamu old and dangerous. Cyo ntoni nyoreka. Kugira ngo emotoka yabe kuzire munonga nenywa oiro nyingi. So president yakuzire nyingi na yakuzire munonga nayo ireberera. No itaga sente nyingi munonga zo kumureberera kumuraguruza kutoche ushanga ngo yabe naija akana akoresa sente ziti. Konka bwanyo yo bwiro hatana yitaga billioni 2 buri zoba kumureberera. So hatecho nekindi konka kinkumanyisa motoka nebasa kuba nerebuka kuba heru konko munda etaka kuziri hato shangejo itakunywa maruta mingi munonga nkejo eya maremi aka 20 haruguto kongera ukoro omumberambe hati nkabuhwejo inguto zaba zirimbi motoka eri kuruga bihanga ekargo mungabe ekarga buhunge ekarga bisya ekazambara ninga kabuhuri izoba ninga motoka eri kuruga kanungu ekija Kampala teka shankejo eyakawempe maganjo nega kawempe eja hegarika maganjo
kongecho ni chikwenda motoka erangi yawe kabonera itabansia abantu ikatambuza abantu muringo mu ninga shika korwaho
pointi eyingi zo kureta konka imwana njime yanga kureba nkana niyo kugirango waza kudikerenga motoka yanje eriyo mu mberambi naza kugendera hariki aharangi aha engine aharwiji we nanda kugendera hariki hatecho nacho kine kuruga tukacetegereza enshonga ya kabiri emotoka umupolisi atagira bakajya ategeye mu mberambi ateje kuzira ntubasa kugira inspection permits emotoka je muzona bazikebere baheza kuzikebera leru batwereze permit kora shange ni mvuge motoka rugutombuze otwonga nko kwana ubuza driving permit twonga motoka AG eriyo mu mbere yo kubera ya haruguto nkoreke driving permit ngareke nkoreke permit yembera ya motoka yanje inspection permit nyenta kurigira abajirebere bakagishwijuma okwezo kwiri bagire insinzi yo kuvuga haruguto konka kutwatakoze relationship mayisa ngo abapolisi twabahereza chance yo kwiba abavuji be motoka naza kuryaje atunyo kurigire ko narebe motoka yaweje ateye kuziri konka kora mutere kitomi orebe yabanzi ibyo ngani mbuza abantu nyoni nturaga ya za road kurga owanje rutete hadipo ya Nile Breweries harho abapolisi abo kushujwe motoka waza hakumbuzi harho abandi road broker mpererwe harho road broker Kanyanya harho ndijo nogumizamu kurugo wanje kushika mutawuni motoka yaza kushika mutawuni kaje muri ya taxi kushika mu taxi park niba yaraba aharo broki 11 konko kizo mutawuni ushanga mu motoka kuzire eri mu mbere munonga kandi yaraga kuri oyebuza ezaro broka zone tuzagireba konka kuzu kujemereza akwate kitomi akijerati umpo nambe kushongo ya parking harera no police ayibamwemereza kiza kupakinga kare amina hare arugamu ahija mugira ati kitomi akeza kumukwasa kitomi ora mugira ati gumuzamu hateje bansi so nusiteko kugira
arukhendera mudakeka
yes nusiteko kugira ntugendera hariki kugira ngo eje moto keshe kuri haruguto ejitera haruguto eje kuzire ejite kuzire ejiri mu mberambi ejitera mu mberambi kandi kuba kwata nke motoka yanje bakagira ngo iri mu mberambi kandi ndi kuba ngutere mu mberambi do I have a right to appeal nintabaza nkahi ninyirukangira nkahi nkayandika kandi jimo guno byari umupolisi mukuru motoka yanje ngo yakuzire konkate kuzire kandi kubaza twara akazi mu yadi ACPS zona ngo pa ubaye twaro yanje ya ne tambura konka kunaza kujihe nashanga etakutambura etachubasa kutera self ya fero mu yadi ya polisi hati polisi neza kumushashura ahakukuba nyomotoka bakacishanga gutoni imvuga banyemereza ngo ni inkuru bajinyaho bagitwara polisi kunaza kujihayo nashanga etachubasa kora echamuhera umunonga jime eze motoka zo rukureba izi turi kuvuga umuyihango ubucweka cyenda harigana ntuvuge motoka nguru mu Uganda mbone government yabaneye nango motoka izi turavuge zibensya ekera akore ihemishoro aha motoka ensya dera abantu bagure motoka nyinji ezirinsya nomango ushange motoka negura miliyoni 200 200 billion konkushanga ngumushoro ni miliyoni 200
nza kongeraho
mu Uganda umureka mpeze cyo mushoro hato shanga ngo
nza kongeraho mudakeka
kashobo njaga tantana kira mushoro
yes it's okay honorable Nyakato Asinas inogira ngo government yetebekanise kuba ne implementing ingasine tandika iki cha operation ganyiginya kuhe motoka ezikuzire
ekyo kubanza
aharuguto
kubanza it is a good idea nongi muno so as long as better kuba manipulated because one, we want to ensure the safety of the lives of our people. Abantu kubantu buli muntu akulubata arugule travelers obumezi bwabo bulbatire mu motoka etakutinisa nsimbule kisoro nsimbule hoima nsimbule kasese ngende mangire ngenda kuhika. I have interacted in Barizona kulembeza bamaba kukura bitongole bine bya different taxes from different sub-regions mu Yanga nibagamba for them they support the idea. Ensonga enkole bayini bahereza eri nti sometimes enforcement bayirenzi bumuno ali abagenzi baba bakolesa taxes ezo ne motoka ezikwa not only taxes by the way even buses at least buses abamu baka improving like link you can see the cars are in good shape but sometimes accidents nazo banyingi nibagamba first of all enforcement kebe yaberenzi bu at one point because this is not the first time bagambi government gambire ku imira that these old days dangerous mechanically eziri mu mbere mbi muno but enforcement kibaire kizibu muno because most of the leaders in these tax drivers associations nibo bayine taxes zine zinka harugude zikora so when you're talking about enforcing niwo muntu wengine ogenda kusanga akora ki narabe nyuma gambe gwe yangigirekera be wafandi
honorable
and
habuchweka chenana habuchweka harigana emotoka eziryo mu mberambi nzireta butandu obuchweka busatu habuchweka buno obuno obuchweka chenana nzire nubuletwa abakuvuga basinzire abakuvatekingira mu mbera ezitakire abakuvugisa ekimama ori wangu wa comparing no kukura kwe motoka cyeka abanyarwanda bine experience mu kuvuga motoka zikuzire hakwana ro accidents zikuzire zikuletwa mu ninche kwa comparing neze zindi
because kubanza one an old car is cheaper for a Ugandan taxi driver neze sente nche munonga it is easy to be afford it is easy to afford aba drivers abakusinga bono kusanga motoka ezitukuvuga netwengine even members of parliament used the cars most of the cars ziku importing was honorable Mujuke Mulinga gambire they are imported from other countries but when they are used the cars and when it comes to omuntu ali mu business ya transport you will want to go for a cheaper car than an expensive car and the operations za taxes bukuba no loso ne bisale bakusara misoro stage fee nebindi. You find them in an angle which puts them at a situation that they have to go for an auditor where anabera alekana ateka mu bundo wala sisikali mukantu katagenda migamige mesigali nokolaki nevuga. But the issue of accidents is just beyond taxi or use this emotoka eziri mu mbeera mbi. Enguudo embi has also caused to this. Harombera okusanga emotoka eri mpyaka but the road is totally bad. Bokuja mu Kampala, and the other day the minister was in Nakawochi with the Committee of Infrastructure and members of Parliament. Enguudo mu Kampala, most of these roads are in a very sorry state. So when you talk about emotoka ziri ha luguudo, it's not the overall solution that is going to solve accidents, for instance, ya luguudo and the other issues related to road safety issues. We have the Road Act, tuna traffic regulations nyingi muno. There has not been enforcement. What could be the cause of that? Is it again the cause of these accidents? These all because corruption, enforcement teams. Even when government has a good idea, at the end of it all, again, are manipulated by corruption. By traffic officers, but also the abana bakuvuga emotoka zino bayisayinko mukugambira emotoka ene kuja we afande giyangireke koleki erabeho. Hati that kind of way enforcement in ekolaki nerema, as I have told you, it is not the first time government has come up with this good proposal. We would want to see abantu bati nibalwatira mu motoka enungi, but when they are good roads. We would also want to see government have a very comprehensive plan. Yogamba, away from these taxis, do we have an alternative plan mode of transport? We used to have the train system here. Tukaintulambula, I sit on the Committee of Infrastructure and Parliament. If Mugendo Karura, the system yet your train is totally dilapidated. The other day, several times in just 2 weeks, we had over 3 accidents. A train. There are issues which need to be rectified by government. In transport sector, a number of reforms in the transport sector, alternative routes that train. Can we have the bus systems? A system where is a buses. Budi bakabalese kayola. Bundi baleta ezini bazipacking anambola. Where did it go? Because when you talk about in Kampala, they are not going to be allowed. If you had alternative solutions for these taxis, maybe people would opt for the train services, but when opting up for the bus services, even in other areas where possible, you can afford to pay the helicopters if the government had the capacity. So government in a good ideas, but they don't have solutions, alternatives. We want to see alternatives in the sector of road transport, so that we can solve these problems for once and for all. Because you want to enforce this, and they don't, and the enforcement becomes a problem. Then what happens next? But if you have an alternative, passengers, they will not use it. They will opt for a train service. They will opt for these buses. Automatically, taxi driver in a motoke take a passenger kurubata mukati yabaga ajagamba wewe motoka yange tegenda kufuna bakasitoma kankoleki, but we don't have an alternative. That's why people are stuck. Government is also stuck. Bakugambira ba traffic stuck. They are all stuck. Even enforcement has become a problem, because at the end of it all, even the traffic officers, no one harugudo ayagamba wewe mise motoka no mugwa ngiro mpira goroho break zero ebisiga iro genda rabahugeye ntyonka omukuru ko bwagambire kikonde kikasoboka okimuleke corruption nagamba yogenda ono wata ina bakwata hembero na ina obunto hembere kurungi. You find the issue of enforcement is also going to remain a problem.
Honorable Kabarebe, banzo yakura bakutureba abakigezi na Uganda yona na nensi yona kuba TV West eri international. Asa usanga abantu bari Dubai bari America bakureba TV West, so
bari kubireba.
So bakureho rero tugumizemo na ensonga yo kugira ngo government eyitebekanise eta ahanshonge yo kwihaho imotoka ezikuzire kugira ngo mbanze muzikore mbone kuzigaruza haruguru.
Ababare mnongo batebekanizwa program n'abaturikize mwena kana bari kutureba kana bagenzi banje bonyine nabo mu studios kandi okuhajana ajimasho ekikwatiye nebyo nguto n'entambura y'abantu muzi musibireje nimbakura na rukundo pango kandi mbashaba turizane ajeji program so mutebekanso program webale munonga kureta enshongejo abo kuba nekwata aha munyayuganda wa bulijo omuntu wena uri kwenda kukora kari kwenda gukora kona yabana wenda kuza mu igwaruro nokozesa motoka yano wenda kuza ishomero nokozesa motoka abana baza kumuruka kuzo mu mashomero limaza kwetega motoka bawo notega kushubura notega motoka mwene kintu motoka ruguto n'ikintu cyangwa munonga actually twine kora research tukareba abanyayuganda ariko ese motoka n'abantu bari kwingana ki abo kubiye wako kuza kureta police baza kubareba ni affecting abangaye mwene mwami Jimmy mutebekarizo program nyenda kugira ngo ekintu echo okubagezi banje bagamba nitwe government yitu ne yebare okureta ekitise echo kugira ngo accident aharuguto zihweho nekintu kirunja abo kuba kufa kw'abantu ni kutusasa ejo abana bafire bari kuzo mu trip nangwane binja bafi abantu bashasha ensiyona yacura konka turi kumanya emotoka kaberi ekabe kuzire aha mwenu okuregulatinga entambura n'ikintu kikuru muno yo niyenda kusima government okureta kitise nina kugira ngo wakiretaje munonga wagira oti obuchweka obuchweka bushatu nikwe
obuchweka bushatu kushara obuchweka buna
obuchweka bushatu kwisa obuchweka buna nibwe abantu bari kugo mu zabutandu ezemotoka enkuru obuchweka kinana nobo nabo abari kugo mu accident biretirwe okuvuga kubi okuvuga sinzire okuvugise kimama okuzaho okashanga nevuga omuntu atashomire emotoka mwenu kuri kuza wareba wageraganisa ekizibi kihango echeme kutanikira buri kiyo cheme kutanikira amotoka nkuru ninga cheme kutanikira akiri kwita abantu munonga
aha kwangwira no kutanikira
mwenu ni mujuka abanyayuganda enyimaho aime obaretaga police yo kugira ngo imotoka zona zigire ki zigire misipi ni mujuka seat belts rero seat belts zabashi zaba seat belts ekiri kwita police zeitu ni ekyareta police nikiho ba government yaza kongera umushoro aha kintu nohurira ngo nanka ashaziremu yareba abantu abakuru bagira ngo kintekerezo kireke there is no research turi kubikorera ha research HMCP ni mwijwe ku cyagenzi nati kumanya kikaburira abo kubo w'imisipa akagikora
ecyabe ekigendere cyacyo kikaho
emisipa bakagikora bamaze kugikora kuyihire makeye cyagira ki cyahweraho ni nyenda kugira ngo neji police yo kugira ngo emotoka enkuru hashimire kuba hariho importer uri kwenda kuguza motoka ziyenzi ari kwenda kugira ngo bagure motoka nsya bazigure zamara kuba twegarukira bikuru kanye siga ngo kicyecho abo kuba police boniye weno mu gice n'ishyaka mekintu kindi kwenda ngo tugarukeho accidents ziri kubaho imotoka niba yaraba police 10 tikwe konkeberaho mu meisho niba yaba nkuru ninga yaba DMC yayiko mu meisho inga eshemere kutangwa ekyatandika urugendo mwene yenda kugira ngo nyowe abaraze kuimposinga ekintu eki nitwa kutunga ekizibu nangwe nabebembezi nza kutunga ekizibu abokuba abeine motoka nko kwa senasi yagamba bine motoka nkuru mu Uganda nibo binyingu including members of parliament
kandi kabahire sente
bore kire bose motoka ansya nengenda kubagambira ngo mureke abanyamahuri mugambira bataka bamanye kizibe kitwi kongani mwe muza mu runana rw'abandi muzo mu kurashi mutandika kuyomba kandi mu kumanya amazina motoka ansya ya V8 nishinyizenga
miliyoni 3 garayima
miliyoni bishatu kujibone ensi
That's second hand.
ejo ni second hand miliyoni rukaga
and above
miliyoni rukaga and above wachireba hati member of parliament wa miliyoni bishatu yaza kugura cha DMC akigeki akiteka so ni ndagambira sebo emotoka zo kwa members ba parliament abingi bari kuvuga zona ninki zeki nekuzira
kongazire mu
nanshaka
mbera
ko information
yes
ubutwa leta icyo kuhereza ba members ba parliament contribution yo gura motoka nkabandi commissioner wa parliament tukashitama twabara ngo wagurira member wa parliament motoka ansya icyo kubanza ntimasa ngo mugurire motoka ya miliyoni rukaga garahigo kandi ogituhe namba ya government timasa ngo uza kugishashura driver kandi ugarako giservicing twarangwecho government as of then yo kuchibasa twamemba parliament bamuhereze contribution ubiro kaze miliyoni 2 sikata cyari shikumiza abata nishaka konga ni contribution kugira ngo ayiyongerereho
yes
abasegura motoka konga abantu nkuko wakigamba koko batacibashoborire hato umuntu waburijo go uri kugura motoka ya miliyoni 3 miliyoni 5 ya primo ajya kinyowe kambe nyine miliyoni 20 kanguzire motoka kanamara yakebera nayo ariko ngo ugumemba wa parliament naza kuza na rega Kampala natambura naza kanungu buru weekend eje motoka ya munywani wo gura kanungu yakinyo kanguzire ya miliyoni 3 yagitaguto rwa Kampala kanungu buru weekend
neba ngo rushare rwakira hari
ne kuba munengo so ejino contribution babembaza mu mbasa ko fortinga hashindi konke eche motoka memba wa parliament takushitama buhweju takushitama chegegwa takushitama chenjojo takushitama hoyuma na shitama Kampala nabo cyo kugira ngo agume atambure akobaramuzi ntacyo kurebera abaramuzi mbabaha motokanzi konkabo nabataha Christmas icyo bagarika Kampala konko member wa parliament ayine kuza constituency buri weekend na haje wafa kazayo umurabuzo barabuza kucyo buto baziga no kuziga
mwana ukabona ndabongere
wenu
tinguja ngo wongere umukanye nyango babakire zaba bareke ko bakwata kwe ati siyo nimba sako bagambira akonye ntari MP yahanye nimba sako bagambira abantu banje kushira bambe gambira
we bari no ngwenu nyowe atecho kimanyise ngo abari kuvuga motoka ezikuzire nika 90% mu Uganda ngweno government okora ngweno mbende Zambia ensi ya Zambia tinsi yengiga munonga konka eino buntu bwebwe rikora smart ngweno nke motoka Zambia omuntu yanagure motoka ansya omushoro gwaine mbiche munonga wano ogure nkuru omushoro gwawe ki ni mwingi which means government ningisha bangu tutakayikire acho kugira ngo tukwate motoka tubanze turebe emotoka ezi nizetagwa twazihaho zitwara ki because keche misipe kuchabi nintekateka arwo ndijo obwerire akantaka agira ki ekyakaasha
ekiteekateeko kyo kyangu baleetemu basi za kayola ezo ziriyo nizikorwa ez'amasanyalaze
ekyokubanza egipoliisi egi leka tutagireebera kampala kusha habwokuba emotoka eziri kuja muri kampala niziruga up country niziruga za kyegegwa tikwe ziruga kanungu ziruga nkahe niza kwija kandi ekyatandikira aha kampala nikiza kuzanjara tikwe nimwe turikwenda ngo tukirebere ahari kampala aha kuhonga konka emotoka mbi nizo nizitwita ekyokubanza nitugwara kansa ahabwa emotoka nkuru kansa tutakagira na accident
mwenye kyeyongerire kansa mu Uganda
these emissions z'emotoka enkuru nizirwaza kansa munonga mu bantu ekyakabiri nogistamamu oshanga ero bokira hansi oshanga waza kuza kugira ngo okuzo mu office oshanga ukireki omucucu gwa kwijwi so tino rukwende motoka nkuru konke motoka nkuru ekizitiro mu Uganda abishemwe abatufurikise no kushanga mu police hino kwehengamira twagihengamura tino rukwende motoka kiziki
kama mlango honorable Nyakato ibyo nogira ngo government okuyahe motoka ezenkuru kiresera abantu baba stranded aha mihanda na prices zayonjera orwo kubanza abantu bona bakaba bari aha mihanda abanyarwanda bashemererwa kutamburira mu mbera zabo za taxes kuzire ako twara taxes bawe withdrawn baziyayo cyaretera abantu ba stranded
ngambirege nkwasire ngambirege the transport sector na muno aba taxi they are stuck. Why are they stuck? Nyakugambira ensonga enkoleke kubanza these road cars are cheaper for them to afford because they are in business. Kandi kini nyakugamba nti the problem is people they are stuck because enforcement, who is going to enforce? Abamugamba be enforcing together with police, they have conflict of interest. Now they are owners of these taxis. Abakusinga most of these taxis are owned by by these drivers. Kandi these associations of drivers have drivers who own these taxis, the owners of these taxis, of which they are calling them to help government to enforce. Then ekindi abantu ba traffic ban, I think the issue of corruption is too much on the road. It is everywhere. But when it comes to enforcement, that's where the gaps come in. The traffic officer who, together with the owner of the taxi, but also who sits in a taxi driver association, of which is a stakeholder, the traffic enforcement team, because when the government is enforcing, he has to enforce with those stakeholders. Come the taxi na abakuli phone calls, hello, umatuka yange kuruga wime kuija baitege mkusabu irabe yange. Then failure to have an alternative solution, mode of transport by government. The idea is good, but which alternative do you bring on table as government? Seeing abantu ban enforcement becomes complicated. Can people opt for train transport? Can bakusak opting for the buses as they had brought the Kayola buses in the Masinganazi? Can they opt for other service which is affordable by Uganda government? Of course, train, buses, maybe taxis zindi, as well not for these personal individual taxes, or get a service which is an alternative, so that if someone who fails to implement, to enforce, bamuleka rubundi bagambe bokutembe motoka ekaikuire tugikwata nayo tukwata muntu kucharging. But now the option is there's no alternative. So no bokuba gamba okutembere motoka mpiyaka. I mean when government says abana bakuvuga motoka mpi enkuru bajja kubakuwata kyonka passenger ina alternative ya eraheri harugudo akusigala listaka. Then nempiyaka ezizi nazo they have issues, the behaviors of the drivers, overspeeding. Omuntu akunywa is addicted to drugs that there are very many these products on market, the energy drinks, jahi nebindi, and also everyone helese the other time there's a colleague who said abantu benda kubakebereka batakabere gendo kusanga omuntu akuvuga because I had even bagamba bayinakuruga abasigaze bataharugudo bavuga abantu bakuru kusanga omusajja ina pressure ina sukali alongo da bakuvuga pressure muteye sukali muteye. So the number of issues which need to be addressed by government nebukuranta olugudo transport sector, public transport sector getwagiteeka mu line kulungu, but without that there will be very many good ideas but they will remain.
Leka tubanze turugo mu karango kake tuize tweyongere ukirya TV West leka turugo mu murango bakama bwetu mudashika nkina tugaruka kiganiro kituriho government okuyaye motoka ezikuzire ahanguto ihitibikaniseta takaruga.
Mami!
Wanje sabo.
Ugamotia. Oina kachi. Ha. Kagulini ziteka ko. Teka kagulini. I want everything, eh?
Okay.
Yes. So, when I pay the time, this will increase my loan limit. Hey, Hemutieni Momo. Madam, remove the food. Put more meat. Add the meat. Yes. Hey. Now, these are the fruits of paying your loan is in time.
That's right. Every time you repay your Momo loan on time, your loan limit can increase, giving you access to more money when you need it most. Dial *165*5# to borrow, pay back, and grow your limit with Momo loans.
You have juice?
Yes.
Juice in me.
abaturage barya Ntonde, Mbarara, Ibanda, Kabare, Tukura n'ibyanga byone bibetorwire omulisa Robert Kayanja owa Miracle Center Cathedral Rubaga ari munije mu ruterane rw'enjiro rw'amani n'ibyo kutangaza aha Purification Family Altar Ministries International akabare rwera zone rwanchi nambi 10 yakihura kabura okurge birashatu na kimwe byo kwa munana okushyebiro bibiri ebyo kwa mwenda 2026 okugasha ibiri zo mukasheshe okushyasha 12 zo mwabazyo orutaya yeyise no murisa Ezra na Sylvia Mugisha mureta barwira baburi muringo ebimuga empumi abafu b'amatu ebiteta ruhangana ije kubakiza ijukango ruhanga ine cyo kutangaza cyawe ecyandikiwe w'izina ryawe.
In Biggie's house, there's no place to hide. And even when you think no one is watching, the energy can swing in an instant. This BB Nigeria Season 11, everything burns brighter. Only the biggest moves tip the scale, because nothing is given, but everything is for the taking when the world watches. Will you be outshined, or will you step up and take the spotlight? Big Brother Nigeria Season 11. Showing 24/7 on DSTV Channel 198 and GoTV Channel 49. Headline sponsor, Bet Power.
Mami!
Wanje sabo.
Ugamotia. Oina kachi. Ha. Kagulini ziteka ko. Teka kagulini. I want everything, eh?
Okay.
Yes. So, when I pay the time, this will increase my loan limit. Hey, Hemutieni Momo. Madam, remove the food. Put more meat. Add the meat. Yes. Hey. Now, these are the fruits of paying your loan is in time.
That's right. Every time you repay your Momo loan on time, your loan limit can increase, giving you access to more money when you need it most. Dial *165*5# to borrow, pay back, and grow your limit with Momo loans.
You have juice?
Yes.
Juice in me.
Zikoff Herbal Syrup azibukula ennyindo, emimiro n'okusiyibwa n'okuzimba obulago. Zikoff Herbal Cough Syrup agira mu bika ebirala nga lozenges, honey lemon, orange, pineapple, strawberry ne herbal. Zikoff akolebwa mu bikola ebyawano eby'obutonde era abaana n'abakulu bamukozesa. Zikoff Herbal Cough Syrup.
Nyamurungi ey'enshonga y'izooba turi muri Kampala live TV West kandi obwa hati turi aha nshonga ya emotoka ezikuzira okwiba hanguto ekibuzo kinakupozinga esaaha ezi nohakufunamu iwaimeroka emotoka ezikuzire mu biro muziyaho omusoro emotoka ezikuzire zibenzera bahanguto zikuzire zirimu ebyina ndikutandika nihonorable Mwijike nogira ngu nohakufunamu omumotoka ezikuzire kwiba hanguto omudakika 5
ndashika za 5 nazihurira nuhoro kufunamu nuwakayora ikigambo kayora witoko nkimanyise bindi kayora bwene kayora konka hati ijo kubayize mu trade order inababire bombekire bizimbiyo mu town nomu buzira bapangisa bashara mbabinga abantu umyanye emwe hati bagiro mbizimbe nabo cyo bakari bayirondera ba customer ba clients mwene ebe byakayora kwijadire bunde kabura taking off nikibasa kuba kinaka kwate n'icyo wana abakufunama konka icyo cyo ngo kutwatanga kugamba twena nitugenda oruguto ruterire rohe motoka ziyo mu mbere shire konkana tugenda nkuza wa kugira ngo wegishire ninga teshire obuyine engenderwa hwishire tukwasa koreso muringo gugwire kutunga kishire nico umwe yaburuza atwe tugira ngo ebikanyisa accident ahanguto obucuwe kacenana harigana n'enshonga ezindi abwenshi noza ha 3% ukaremeraho ahunye takwenda kumanya umutwi yatungire pamiti yazagaraka kurniwinga wagaraka wamucebera wagaraka wamuta testi ingaje tubwayine pamiti mu mwongere ndijo bora kabayino ku inembera yabirarumu hatembera ne bayahindukira tu ez motoka kutwe twagira ngo this is a passenger service vehicle nabo cyo nikirizwa kuzaharuguto mwene kwa hameza ashatu ninga mukaga twagaraka twagicebera twashangwe mbera yayo nikirizwa kuguma haruguto ningi kuwagira wajo tu ubwesi mucire munonga itazaharuguto nonda kugendera aharici burna nakugizire nakugira ngo wargo wanje nanka hayi nkutura gaza road rutete aha dipo ya Nile Breweries kugira ngo aba police aha mbuza hariho abandi mperu hariho abandi kanyenya hariho abandi akamwesa hariho abandi karero muranda bato hariho abandi karero market hariho abandi kubir hariho abandi makere Eastern Gate hariho abandi wandege ya opposite wandege ya hariho abandi aho wana utaho mu town opposite kotori hariho abandi izo road blocks konka nakugira ngo motoka roshanga ziryo mu taxi park bakugira ngo nsinde kanyake kanugo zara road blockade zone aha bwenje because hariho inkora yo koresa ya kabiri hariho nguzi
no hakufuna mu nguzi
hatururebeka nore nkoko nubuzo munwa uri kubura mu nguzi nugo uri kugira ati eje motoka ikumira haruguto ninge tarugaho nugara kusharamu iraguma haruguto ninge karugaho nugara kurye nguzi nangwa naba bakaba motoka abinja bakuzivuga ati bakamabazo nabanjura buri mwabazo abandi banjura buri wiki ninga buri kwezi kongo shanga bakaba motoka nibenda batunge sente konga twakwenda gukora motoka zabo driver yayanjura na nkana babita chabo kubayamba Tanboy bayanjura musha yakwata imitwaro 10 yone yajibika tiyagira ngo aze gukora service. So buri yomo kumanya rori mukama w'imotoka owa traffic owa revenue owa ministry of works hati kandi reke nabuze wagamba Zambia. I associate myself with that contribution. Wargo kaza South Sudan nihanga ryanyu mwabazi hano gwe zero konka motoka nizigure sentenche kuchira Uganda. Nabwo cy'abantu binga ko abumukurana bavuga motoka zihwe namba za South Sudan ba Uganda nabagenda South Sudan bagure motoka ezituguza ha miliyoni rukaga kuri nizigure miliyoni 215. Dero barekaho namba ya South Sudan itekande gamba hango ine motoka ine namba ya hero umwisha shule mitware 5 ya Uganda buri mwaka. So mundara cyangwa ngwira kugira ngo agumira avuge motoka y'inamba ya kuriya ari kushashura mitware 25 buri mwaka nkakari kasente kake. Aha bwenji nkona araka buru ubwanje uti noza kugaruka. Aha bwenji sitakusharamu umushoro gw'imotoka ansiya tukagucendeza. Aha majuta kahariho umushoro abantu bije bakagura imotoka ansiya zikaba nyinji bakanywa amajuta bakatwa umushoro gw'amajuta bagure imotoka nyinji nangwa nezi nyimotoka nyingi bagura umburi kugira ngo bagure imotoka mutwara gumo buri kwezi bagure imotoka mutwari 10 buri kwezi kugira ngo hapino bagura nyinji umushoro gubire muce nagwa kashoro kashatwa tiroho mpiya ho sente nyinji konka kubano yebuze kibuzo nkecho nko kutugora mutwe na twacyetegereza hatu yibuza uko mundo okwe ministry ya planning finance and planning finance yura ngo tugireho konka planning ngo jironde kuburra utakwasa kwetegereza muno wasa kutebekanisa ukamenya ati twataho umushoro mwinji abantu baza kwanga gushashura twataho umushoro muce abantu bingene bagushashura business nize yongera abantu batunga emirimo production agenda higuru ntebekanisa program ndukwendera mwana wanje yagamba hakintu cha seat belts na speed governance bajongo hato ohafa Francis ayube n'umuntu w'amani bareta kantukasi deru kaheza kawaho haguma barizo ndijo umuntu w'amani orafe yeza kufa umuntu w'amani harguto speed governance hati cyo nacho chikomaho hati jo abana bishobero bafire ngo motoka nkuru ezwe mbatamburiramu namwe hati ijo nkabani ngamba no mumba kabashobaje ngo tubakwicerezwa kutwara abana ombasi ninga abana motoka ziri nkezo iza private kuri kazazi geza government. So abananka private school binechizo necho konkanya wonyenda kwendera ngo wanyoreka narawangira utaka kumunatega mu mesa ngo mpendere. I am a student of public policy and governance. Hati okwe ntuninza gukora PhD yanjye waza kureta iteka enkora nubanza urebe ikizibe kibiri kiriho doreba ngo iteka ryo no leta niza kumaraho ikizibe cyo kandi cywereho kimwe to kureta aho kugira ngo nowe nango bakuterera mu ngaro to kureta aho kugira ngo nyina kwenda kushemeza to kureta kugira ngo nyina kwenda kutunga sente no reto herize kora research. So kugira ko mugenzi banje bagamba uko bagamba no reba ngo kurunojya ngo no kumaraho imotoka hatu tukagizire categories nkisha cyo kubaza kugira ngo eje motoka tugira ngo minor defects eje motoka iri minor eje ne basa kuba repaired eje beyond repair de hato joti eje yajume kuri kugireba no mwikago uri kureta eje beyond repair mu gihinga haruguru kandi ya esperance eje nuko mpira go tuguru mwika ko ngabaje twara mu garage bate mu mwika kandi ya munyana wanjogu eje yongwenu ino konka to kwaza kwemera ko joti emotoka zona
ezonoze
no zikuzire zikuzibwe
iyo no girango no ho kuganyirwamo umukuye motoka enkuru haruguto
webale muno nyoni tekereza nti kuyiha motoka nkuru harugudo itwe n'abanyayuganda nitugobamu kandi twakisagikira ensonga yokubanza ningoza kwikiraniza na honorable Mwijuche hakintu kyokugamba motoka nkuru teniyo motoka eri mu dangerous mechanical condition abako hari abantu abaine motoka zabo nkuru bazidabirize nagiservicingira habwire emipira agitaireho brakes ziri mu kurungi enyigi nizikinga motoka nkuru baitu eri mu condition nungi nekora kurungi harugudo hari motoka ezindi mpyaka kyonka ziri mu dangerous mechanical condition nabwo kinyo nitekereza nti abakuenforcinga ba traffic officers nibamanya motokaki kusemerera kuba netekwa mu category ya dangerous mechanical condition kuiwa harugudo ekyakabiri motoka kugiha harugudo kikumanyisa ngo bazivingireho kimu egera banesobora obwera binekizibu ekikusemerera genda kikakorwaho bagitwale mu garagi bagidabirize nukwegaruka harugudo so nitekereza nti obakumara bakagenda bakazikora nibongera basigara harugudo no harukugobamo at the end of the day nito abanyayuganda nyowe ningoza kuongera kutekikanaho na bagenzi bange ansonga yokugamba ngwenu enu ensonga niitaha abantu bataito enu niitaha abantu bengi bagenzi bange obwomezi omuntu wawe bwakubata kafiri usobora kutetegereza ensonga zino ezimu obundi muli aba bataita barukufu agendera mu wawe that's when you can understand habwomezi ohira onyo kindu gonza kuterera nikyongu habeho consistency focused consistency ngo kiraba kizire kuko ruhati kitaruga mukandi kusana nke bya bagenzi banga bamba kugamba haruho wanya kwine kya kutunda
honorable Esperanza
yes
I think ekinchobwomezi ni your life
yes
tihine tindikwenda ngu omu discussion omu habe mo kugira ngo hariho kuda ori kukitwara mu mpora life is life konka reka tugende rubrically omusheija yatwereka ngo pasenti ishatu kwisaharina ebiri kwita abantu ni emotoka nkuru eziri mu dangerous mechanical conditions ezo eziri mu mberambi ezo ziri 3 to 4 kinana
reckless driving
bad road
hata niho
mwana wa mawe borekire mwana wa mawe ni ngwene nyoko ekindi kukunda abantu baturikize ni nkunda ngo waka no bushija uragarama waka no bushija uragarama bakurebe
haga mu mukiga
abo kuba tehino rukugira ngo tukwatirire iki tukireki nyenda ngo tugirebe bwemi ko kwiri enshongo igitugire ko kwiri nyenda kuvuga ngo kuvuze ati wokuba wokushanga ekiri kwita abantu mu cyaro cyawe kiri yensiri ekiri kwita abantu bace nomwara nobanza waite siri ninga banza kwachi bati ngomwara
hati icyongambirege honorable nti government ikubanza itakwata hikia motoke ziri mu dangerous mechanical conditions zonka ikwate hikia careless driving and recklessness on the road ekwate hikia poor roads esemeze ngudo ekwateho ekia dangerous mechanical conditions za motoka naki ekikwateho nuko turole ngu buli kintu kyona kikwasirweho so that we can reach a balance ekyakabiri habe consistency nhombere na hita na mbero nyitaje kontahire mu ngu kitasana nke kyabuli ekyizire ngu hakabahara kutunda seat belts rundi haruhanya kubaire na ine business ya kwenda kula byamu kyonka kyolekere kimunguriyale tulihamuramwa ensonga eno itwizire ntulemera hansonga paka kumalira nikiza no kutobwire kurora nke bintu ebimwe bingambire byo nibikorwa unfortunately ndibitwara ubwire bwingike ngudu kujja ku rugudo barumara kijja kutobwire ngo rugudo na mbere rahwera na motoka zona zijja kubazikozwe zinyakura rugudo nize semeriye kubaziroho na ba driver bayija kuba zinu road blocks zitantira kutugasira abantu tubagenda kugiye bituga kuonka kubahereza kacayi nuko bakayikiriza motoka zikarabaho na ba driver abanyakutamira bakarabaho kandi obu nibavuga abasabazi kyonka kurora ngu buli kintu kyone kitukurora ngu nikireta butandu harugudu kikwasirwe mhabo kwa manano tujwahire butandu abantu mbafa bengi mu Uganda kandi abengi bayizire nibafa mu butandu kandi butandu eno iba kuferamu nosanga ngu ebibigamba ngu bitakusoboka kutangirwa biba ibisobora kutangirwa bayikabwo kuba habayiho butafayo sleeping on the job carelessness corruption connivance here and there abantu baitu nibamalira batufireho so nyoni ntekereza ntitwena tuita kugovamu kakubitwena tutwamu tukaikiraniza ngu hati kinu kibi tukireke emotoka zaitu tuziterekereze the enforcement officers bakola omulimo gwonyine gwasema ikora nangwa nyowe ningonza kusima muno saa zino wa ministers benekisane kibolekere ningonza kusaba ntabeho checks and balances leka kusindika traffic officer kwikara wenka rugudu habeho abandi nyo ndora habeho abandi abakwija nabo kwenda kurora ono nakora omulimo gwo kurungi abandi baije bavuge motoka rugudu aho barabeho barabaho bali mu civilian wear bavuga motoka zabo za bulikiro they are not government number plates barole exactly what these guys are doing on the road nuko warakwatwa na ali kitugu ubarakwata mbabiri rundi basatu noita kusanga abandi nabo bona bayeterekereza
none mulongo honorable wanyiseka story yo kugira ngo mwakari kwa kugira ngo aterwe inzoka nka kuguru ngo sibeho ubutwabureke kutambara bukatembera ruguru sorry inzoka ikamutera umutwe ori yaronda okusuba habura yasuba maraka ngo musayi kutasuma kazaka amutima agafu so norondo kuyabe natambira ubotirwe inzoka kubura sahari yacho ukubuza honorable Asinasi Nyakato kuruga hoima yono gira
ngo yakomera maraka tarafire kabura kwisi
honorable Nyakato aba tax drivers bakikidira mbitongole bya bitaro munashumi nkecha out of Uganda Tax Operators Association English Federation chairman wacho bakweta Rashid Sechidi wena agira ngo uruwe government ebwiyo bayambe ebakwatereho ibahereze yo passede ninge bahereze tax holiday bagure motoka ensiyaka bazi repressing neze nkuru babahereza kiri ako wakureba mu ihangaro ya Nigeria ubayimba withdrawing eze motoka nkuru bakahereza abantu tax holidays ugure motoka ensiyaka ninga government kuyambe ko esente ugure motoka ensiyaka bakuhereza umwaka gumwe ninge emyezi 3 ubanzo yetereza reno cheza kutamba utandika kusashura roni so abana bo bagira ngo ni mutwatereho tubase kuba tufune motoka ensiyaka tuongere tushashura umushoro na nibindi yono gira ngo government bashyikire
and these are business people, no income earners, about services women of family, and they by the way taxi driver. I want to talk about paying a taxi driver, they are more than 5 people. The taxi driver, the conductor, about makanika, abiogia, mafuta, na bandi n'ebindi mnono. So idea yetu wali picking out together kutolamu mpara miezi.
Severa microphone honorable. Switch on.
Idea ensonga yene tugihorire kandi kashade minister wa works kuja kuba tugikia meza ya minister of works currently they consider the views of the same stakeholders. Whereas government is emphasizing they want talking about safety, saving life, true kwenda abantu baitu balibo mezi, but also government should also know that abantu abakudilinga nabo bamufuna mpora. Most of these taxis are back-singers in loans. They are loan taxis. I have a friend, recently she was telling me how she has struggled to pay a loan. But a drone, then suddenly it breaks down because of the road. But also they have the license. So it is complications zilimo nyingi
mno. Basasura operation license, route charter license, stage.
So there are very many
landlord.
So the owner of the car with a landlord.
Yes.
I will not talk about the government now. Should I think we want to guidelines. They have given them 100 days. 100 days within those 100 days there should be by now guidelines in a phased manner. This at least for this 1 month, at least you will be able to do this. The other second month, you'll be able to go achieving it. The third month, to go and not saying it, we have given you 100 days, but you keep quiet, you wait for this enforcement officer kutandika kuharassing aba taxis, because we are going to see that happening. It is going to open up again kukingura omulyango okwesanga nti the enforcement officer bagenda goyamisa kumukisa kutandika kuharassing kuhayaza kuteka akisiika batakisiza bakuvuga emotoka zindi just because of bagambire munde iragwire munde sihukire, but in true sense emotoka munde brake zikora kurungi, driver is okay, mechanical it is okay, service bagikoze nebindi. So tukusaba government as fast as possible if they are to implement this. Stakeholders banamba if is a administration ya taxi drivers.
Yes, you talk far.
Obana Oranti is doing his view. Like this means ministry has not reached out to all these stakeholders. One time happened to have seen the minister talk about bus drivers and taxi drivers. Now about Kampala. So nationally, he has not yet reached out to all those country associations so that they can see how to implement this in a phased manner, but also in a humanitarian way. It is a DMC who approves that is a DMC. Is it traffic officer in Yarugudo? Is it the police officer? Who is going to approve this? True, we know there is the traffic department here, government, and how are they going to implement this?
bagule za tax bakole business
emyoga money was for mfunampora bakamweta mfunampora at least they have to get money through associations now in the whole year they can give you financial, they can give you one tax the whole financial year and sometimes they don't get then there it creates a gap of kuleka ugaba bali mu private sector bakuvuga emotoka personal individuals who own taxis maybe wakwana were beating out from business because they cannot afford. Nempyaka even I have a circle in Hoima City yeah, but taxi they bought a taxi but even in Gimare they have to again borrow so that they supplement money so they could borrowing and that money is not enough. So government should look into that. They should give guidelines as early as possible. Yes, the minister issued out a directive and the policy matter which in addressing by the now these stakeholders, but they need to do massive sensitization, mobilization, up-country mobilization. Traffic departments should come out. They should not come out because that now we don't by the way our traffic officers to mamangere papura harugudo kwemereza kugamba iwe matuka yote na musoro. That's what they are living the other omuli mugulu kusomesa abantu mu radio programs. They have RDC's radio airtime most na kama RDC's by na airtime ya government where these traffic departments can go and sensitize the public, the people abantu bengina bakamanya na baka appreciating other than issuing a directive from Kampala. Then you have the abantu by implementing tibakomanya okuyirukira agenda kugamba. I think you have seen one of the stakeholders have told if it was not for this, the cuts of this program, maybe we didn't know there's someone who is suffocating up country at a minority. He doesn't have takomanya okuyirukira binsala musanga nkaha bakutuyambire batakura abantu consideringa. So that one is lacking. But minister tugenda kuwatu musaba kiherezo obwire minister wa wakisi that one again information ingenda giki ya my minister but also in parliament kuwaherezo obwire to implement in a phased manner, but also guidelines zina kuhebwa obwire bantu bazibasonere bazetegereze. And also yes, we know it is traffic department in police who is supposed to implementing the road safety nebindi, but who exactly tells you that this one is a DMC eneba yetinate omuntu sakulule motoka bagisibira omuguha maybe just kintu kiteshikira mwanda baitu ebindi bya nibikola kurungi. So there are very many things to review in this current tia becoming a harassing tool to the taxi drivers who are using used cars but which are not DMCs.
Honorable Kaberuko omudakika just itano zonka jiranga abatakisi aba nkokiri hamushoro gwatira mbahereza government naye bayambe bakwatireho babase kuba bafuna ezimotoka ensia babahereze ka tax code bafunemu na government efunemu.
Webale mnongo butebe kanso program n'abature n'abari kutureba bagenzi banje ibo ninjira ngo government ya Rwangisiriza ekoze ibintu byinshi kandi niyenda kusima President Museveni aha ebyinje byakozire ebi batwa bitekateka ngo bigumire
mwisheka yakureba
mwice ni mnywani weitu
na ndebe sati ye ekeri yero tanisho kamera
mwice ni mnywani weitu haboko kimukunda aba principal abo kuba kintu ekigorami nakiga mu kigorami kibonire namwe nimanyangu naza kunsima
buzuma
kusiba na president ebyakozire ebyabantu ngo babene batekateka ngo bigumire mwenu President Museveni watandikire cyo kugira ngo twenda direct foreign investment omu Uganda omu namwe abantu abakwira bamusiga nsimbi bani bamufuna mpora abandi bamusiga nsimbi at least president agerizo kureba ngo bamusiga nsimbi beija hati amabati nitugakorera aha ebintu byinji ahabwa tax holidays ezagerizeho kuhereza abantu abo President Museveni akayikano kugira ngo tubahe n'itaka ryabusha konka barebe ngo ba advancing emirimo amafactory abo kuba hati waza kureba mu economy yetu agriculture ikaba eri 80% contribution to the economy konka hati noreba ngo industries hati stanje kugira ki okutemba higo yenda kumusima munonga mwe yenda kusima president kandi yenda kugira ngo neki wamara kukireba uko president nakore ha research nyo kindi kwenda kufana abantu abari gukora na president niho bari kutwinaza nyo na speranza tube turi cyankwanzi jwa twashanga president byakugamba ibyo bari kuimplementinga bamwe
tibyo byaguraho
noreba umuntu uri kugura umwani Kongo uri kureta umwani kuguya Kongo akasomu choma cha Uganda eka promotinga Uganda ni kofi aza tugamo rujyankore n'urukiga n'urunyekitara kanyisiga ngo abandi tubaturiye abamahari abanyamahari tubatageki batatuhurira abanyamahari konka nyenda kugambira ngo president kuyachurira gete no manyiso ngo muntu naba na leta gonja okugiha Kongo omubuza taxi. That's when yachuro yabuza musasizi akabaruho cyangwa atsebo kandi sebo nebikebyo omuntu naguro na keji ababandi bari koresha abundi hariho ekinte cyo bari kweta oni Keno something ni kiruga Kenya twashangana bakitaxing nyo owaitu ukakora yo promoting a factory ya mawesa abana mni bakoresha abundi youth groups government ikaba hebyoma ngokecho choma cyo cha ejo party niyo yabire bari mise kuraki cooperative uko ariko rikari bagihakonya bagitaho umushora abanyayuganda mwenu sebe wakireta je mnoma ekitusibe nitugambo cyona nangwa neki kintu kakibeho tokiya motoka nkuru
utine
cyotiro aba bantu emyoga tiyo kuyamba abandabo emyoga niyo kuyamba abarakoze za taxi okuza kushubura ebinde bintu emyoga nebinde neza PDM nezo kuyamba bari abarakoze taxi konka twabyo kusevinga Uganda nisi omuntu yetambura echo kubanza tugire ngo eze motoka okwiho mwako ogu okwiko mwako ogu ejo tugire ki tuziyeho konka abantu abakatu ba extending rekaki
tax
Olive Branch twabahereza tax holiday at least because tubikozira abandi abamusigansimba abandi twarema kubikora habeitu
abakubesente
actually kindi kwenda kugeragereza necho abaturikize noreba iyo twe tuhaje na kintu cha aho bari kuhereza tax exemptions bari bata noreba umuntu nkakanungu oweitu tubwino rukuto 2025 ngo tubwino rukuto urwakora so kwika kanungu kuyayigande baho tukata kareba gakora si kwise 2025 bakumya ukaba katarike 10 ijo
wezo tubakagirebe
now hati hariyo factories z'amajyani tizine tax exemption nizigura amajuta aha fuel pump ha fuel price a pump price kikuma na gashwe mu shoro mu ndeki ebi ecyari kora cyone niwe uri kufinancinga wava muno wa Kampala abari kuhendekera okwe abine za factories zo mu byaro za Kegego abari kubonabona nibo bari kuhendekera bakabona okusa okuyamba abanene aba Kampala. That is ejo nekintu ekitwine kugonjora ukareba yaba twabita because 2017 twatubizire mu omuntu uri kuteka factory beyond 50 kilometers from Kampala center abye iki yaba considered yaba ne bagira ki bamuhereza ejo kumuyamba mwena baba banda abantu kutwamba abantu because eji sector yentambura sebo mwami Jimmy sector yentambura ni sector mpangu eri kwata ahutakaziwe and born child entambura neza kumuyamba omukazo yinenda niyamba omukazo yinenda n'omwana utakazire ki utakaziwe so nekintu kiri delicate ekitwine kugenderaho tukareba ekyakabiri nyina kubagambira ngo twabanje kwenda kutereza guhita Kampala because this target was targeting Kampala metropolitan tikwe nyina kubagambira ngo ijo nagire kureba president yaba no president abina yabaho bayimereza esatani ruto mukama niwo kwasize nkareba bamara kwigura nkareba mapiki geiruka oh my god gakiruka gaba nkenjoki konka akatomerana kabantu kama 20 mu misho hona bona bago
wa president
naibuza
baketomera kaba
nabuza agama piki gari yo muri Kampala nacho nari babigamba bakigambaho go gine plan iki and what is the plan for the transport affordable
actually research
plan ya Kampala
nzoreka ngo polisi nanga accidents za boda zo zituzeyo bwinje mu Kampala
exactly ekyakabiri mwami omutebekazi wa program twabantu twenda kuboneza Kampala transport hariga egari y'omwika ekabaki
bariyo magikoro
egari y'omwika
niyo turatambura mu Afcon
egari y'omwika twine kureba plan wiruti yagira ngo ni is a student of policy and governance actually nitwenda ngo nkoku government etirimu specializations ningira ngo omu planning ya Minister of Finance na KCCA because kwine mwati ya players bingi batari kurizingana hashemere kubaho okustama tukareba entambura plan y'entambura ya Kampala okugira ngo omuntu yanazaha murimo ayikeho kurungi ayikeho juba tukore konka nyinda kugira ngo etandikiraho president ababandaba bahebwe tax holiday imotoka eze baziho mushoro ebyo tino rukunda emotoka yankuru abo kwere expensive to maintain
honorable mugice turukwendera hansonga iki omudakikita iwe noreba kugira ngo bakanko kire government ninga sintekateka yawo janga ba tax ni benda government bayambeho baheze ka holiday naho bagiho mushoro eganyirwe baganyirwe
wewe hata unani ngambacho kugira ngo ni student wa public policy and governance aza kuna benyishoma yoku umbeta yokwe na hura nizi ya kabiko ayema mwen okwahina gamba hindu kushomera mbiye ntugizo kwetegereza abwenshi government ya Uganda eyine policies nyingi nungi konkeza takutebwa mu nkora ntinguze iteka mutari koresha hagati y'abantu bagumana bareza hagati y'abantu twinguza iteka ngo kikorwa ngo akavera umuhango wo tukashekwa nakanagwa hari bagumana bakanaga ekizibu nikiya hata shoti ningwani ngaraka side ya parliament yonko muntamaziro emyaka kuba mu parliament hata shoti mu parliament ekora mu rumugwayo yet parliament mu rumugwayo no gukora amateka tugokutomungora Kona esperanza no yakurga akazo mu district yakashanga abantu nabanaga overa abaje umuhanda nwe yakoze iteka tayine ushozo kubakwata namanyisa polisi ke kubakwata nibatwara umukoti rero bagenda hiteka rye kubafubira konka two kwata bakwasire hatoshoto ngo wakoze iteka tarakozire mu rumugwe so tuyina amateka umuntu gakora umunjeri ni mu cyarengizayo gabafuterwa mu nkora icyo nicyo kubanza cya kabiri hati iwe Jimmy wagamba hamyonga
government
waja ngo imyuga ngo bagure taxi imyuga bahazinga ize myuga
group
bajazinga nizigura taxi kaje nezijugure nango zizibari n'abakwata no shanga taxi waje ngo jiguze rero nka miliyoni emwe taxi yona miliyoni 2 izo zukurana bakwateze wajita katare negura miliyoni 4 nabo cyo muntu yarango bajukwata bagitwara mu polisi yadi akaba ngo fayini nerenze miliyoni 4 naja bano ninga najana gure ndijo
ntabwo hari umupolisi umwe wa traffic abe nagira ngo ubwanyuma yo kwateze motoka 10 nezo kwiyongeramo amasumu gakatyankana ku rugomba bakuru ari kuri akamotoka kanje aho mutakoreraho mugene mukorera handi iyo area ne y'abantu abakuru bakafuna mu challenge y'abakuru okuterana amasumu
echo riya niyo no chimanya no kugira ngo numbuze cyo buza kugira ngo moderator kunga ansa no jimanya
tingu jimanya
buzuma no jimanya no manya ngo hiroto yati mu committee tima kuwa bari mu trade oya kuzinga tkonga shi imwe Uganda turi muntu kujimanya aizire fe committee ati imwe Uganda turi kujimanya rero tuhagarika mukajimo kuyagamba ngito tukujimanya tugambire but we live in a country where kutware speed governors aitwa ahi agire road blocks za buses waza buruguto harho buses zire kwemerera zakagenda zikasayininga mu kitabo kurugira shaza simburramu konkeje myanya hato mihanga ryona ehindishire money collecting centers
ona bagaga wari
ya simbura shayi nabashogomba mu expecting ashamwenda akisha munana naza hariya asayininga ngo yarabo munana asiga hakantu konku waga ngo yarabo munana yarabo mushanju ninga asayininga ngo yarabo mwenda kuno za stakashire konka siga yato mu kitabo hati nozo mu district soko manya hati obazi bingo mutawuni kubarazi he akona ejina corporation iri mu town
za shuma bwejo
bazitwara umucyaro dera bashuma barubuhejo mabazi tegereye nyakambo murankeje umunsozo umwe bari umunengo kanungu barinziri
abantu bazakora bo madirisa bakagwa
hatoko naho hari yabashuma baho mbe ningamba ebibara mabenara bamu ndatwonga shi we baramu abwenshi nazo muri ko government honga kashukirwa misaro ko government ato nango azo public service konka by nature roko government ne kwatara buri kimwe because minister wa danka chama C5 na arebera amarwaro arebera amashomero arebera nguto ngo no C5 we ori ari nka LC6 so ka kujana ona za habioriya but at the end of the day nubwo y'ubuntu buce noramwe nshongeza abataka ba complainingaho inshonga zenguzi ziriyo ombyaroko we may not do much with them, but be real. Enguzi yarubajwe umuhanda enguzi yo kugaba emirimo itubuhoje tubire tubire enguzi of course ntatekemerire yo kushanga ngo hariho broker nakoranga na chairman C5 umuntu aje kugira ati nyowe ndanansi nintunga miliyoni 3 kwezi konka bakanyo miliyoni 20 kutunga umurimo
wawe iki yasasuye
kashato gwe naba yaba state witness naba yaba whistleblower so no bamuprotectinga rero barwanise ikikorwa because wajya ngo atagamba bishikorwa turi kimanya ninkato kuwa kugira utoriyo nahoreza besije kanwe yabe naguze muri aho cyatakonza bakakomoga kwiye najya ngo bese kandi agure mbunda ubwo yabe najya ngo azine nako tabanza kazo mucome rero twarabesiye kwigariye maze bakanda kuzigura igategura kuzigura mweja so
endera hansongeje
ejo neshonga ni wabireta
endera hansongeje
kandi no hata nagamsamana mingi nambwe tugume gwa kofi wantungamo iki program aje gikunde agomba twika ka kofi kujya gukatwa tuba mu program keji rwanda ije shazarenjere yo ka kofi mwe sponsoring program kandi manya yampurra kandi nashibasa sponsoring program eji de rohati tugambana nanda kuranda gatana
utandikiraho mudakike muhina katakana nako uze twendera hansongeje yino gira government neza kumanyeta ngwe polisi ya yirisiri yakora mudakike mutwendere nsongeje
hati nuho natandikira public policy government imanyire kuleta programs nyingi ekikiba yatandika hagira bayomba urumute yatumurga abantu banje guwanaga bya boda boda n'umuntu nakireta acho yakitandika aba boda boda bekora mu group betere nduru uhura nk'umuntu mukuru mu government yatumbe mbarishiri I can tell you actually chigambira na minister gwabe najya ngo capital city bagitore na Kasongo namya mutakushibasa ikikuja gukora encouragero hash kuhengumiyo na mushanju suwe ntombe kanoza na bypass teka huire ugacoga tujya bypass teka huire denza kombe kekizimbi bisya na Kasongora byo myaka 14 parliament yareze myaka 10 yombeke kizimbi kijiremere reba hari parliament ayo kushitama nyuna nkashagura kuza kuba commissioner cyo eshombekwa na hatshine yemyaka so okutomu nkora nuko nakugambira buriya okutomu nkora kwa kuchirumu embuzi no kuza kuvanya nakwendera anti Jimmy icyo kubanza netwetaga alternative wawachigambireho waje twaza kwemereza motoka nkuru yo twakuzemereza aho kwigari yo mwiketanikire gukora ngone gwetanikire gukora twakena motoka nkuru hari alternative za kugira ngo imotoka za taxi tuzicendeze ni nyinji enkuru tuzihemu akwatanikire bus ziruho kuba no manyuti bus ezikurga Kawempe ezikurga Busega ezikurga abo okwachitereza rero kora rengo ade congestinga Kampala urukoresebe hato utana kojire utanabwe chemishoro ha motokansia twajita ha 20% yemotoka kugira ngo tuencourage abantu bagure motoka because hati tinkumanya bari mu parliament kwa community cyo kumanya ho eki tax eriya ha motokansi tima percent ne ingana ki konka ne kirebe y'imotoka no gure motoka ya miliyoni nkaga ushashura umushoro gushira miliyoni nkaga hati nikikumanyisa ki nikimanyisa ngo ogumushoro nugukudiscourage ngo kugure motoka ansia gukujema kugure motoka nkuru kugira ngo ofunemo rero aba taxa wano gamba hati iwe Jime arakora akusiba jureta yakajwana nishaka se shayitano z'ikiro cyanje basa kumugumira kugure motoka ansia rero hato ogwana nkeji wakawempe naje kujibase motoka ansia
ora mnogo ora Esperanza yono janga government neza kumyaririzeta kumanya ati police yitu ya wire yo kuyema motoka nkuru mu service iyikozere twinjire tukotekoje mudakikemo kwendera nshongeje
uwe pale muno mtekano za program nintekereza anti ikintu kyona kije kirotatingira ha enforcement officers nibasemera bamanye motoka nizisi twiye harugud nibasemera bamanye motoka nizisi twasindika mu garagi kandi harugud aho batarugaho bekaliho baroli hati obustusindikira mu garagi zagaruka ziri mu good condition haro izihambirize tuzihiro zangira zagaruka kandi nande basindikire kuli zijanja biro kurungi nuko zigaruka harugud nintekereza ati no barikara nabakikora bati with time beja kubana basobora ku monitoringa kurura improvement nyakoro ngato atero tambu twaruga hano twahika hali na abantu benyine baratandika kugula empia still they will be able to monitor abo kwa abantu abaharugud tubarugiraho baroho kandi the same people abakuleta motoka bali nibija kuba nokurura nibarura nkwate nanka yagireke agireplacingire nene.
Honorable Kaberuka, government ine yonorangwe measures zone zo kuteka oninge miringo ekoreka ngati ikintu kitu cyo kuyemotoka hargoto kikozere ngati kikozere omuda kike
nyewe ni nkiriza ngo tine kiri kwema government abo kuba ikituru kwenda ni wiru iki kirugire twabanza ikirese niki yaba kitaresirwe nke cya speed governor nekemyeko iki ni ikintu cyanguye
ninga nacyo kiziro mu gihe kikunga cyenyobuye.
Okay, nicyo nagira nti it depends on who and how it has come, the rationale, because to always fit the rationale. Ninyirango abaturikize niyo ninyesiga mu government yarwangisereza yatawe sira kintu nekikora kandi yaba ne ekitireho ahabwo kugira ngo kibe kisa mututu batware ndahi nacyo nikizira ki nikikora mwe niyo ningira ngo ecyo kugira ngo emotoka nkuru zibugeho nizibasa kurugaho kandi emotoka nsa zireki zizeho abo kwa twakwemihanda. It is fiscal policy ni ya government negitaho egirete emishoro twagihaho abantu kabarete taxi ezibonire ezo kugira ngo abo kuba taxi ensya tiziraze kuyamba aba taxi drivers kusha niza kuyamba abari kuzizamu abari kuzizamu abari kuzikozesa nibo bari kuza kuganyirwa mu nonga abanyayuganda mwe niyo ningira ngo iki kintu nikibasika cyaba cyetegereza ibweje cyaretwa uburyo obwo kugira ngo ni burungi obwo kuyamba mu Uganda konka bwa buryo bwo kuyamba mu ntobo ninga babiri nibiza kugira bitiya ibyayikakanya kake bigire ki biho kandi byaharizo kubireba
ore bunya ansina nyakato.
Of course nyawe kifu babura mu government kuri kuranti with Nigeria police yenye kwenda kuenforce they should always have an alternative. Uganda bana Uganda bekaine bachwene bagamba bakwenda ebigali yomwike kagenda nka these buses which came in Kayora Harozine zawe parking iraho nambole all those alternatives came in and bana Uganda basiba bagamba bakutujunaki jamu bakutujuna motokazi nezikana zifera muhanda tuzetagaza asindika mu runyo tuzeta sindika yake and that you push then it starts na taxi park when you go downtown there usanga ni basindika kuno nateka ikibale kuno nakoraki. So government has to comprehensively come with guidelines by to first manner, but also putting in mind that these are small income earners, but taxi drivers. But they should do massive sensitization. Most of these cars, because they talked about to Bakabazali to Kampala Metropolitan, country is Jamu Kampala, which are in those same conditions. So sometimes we think into Bakomansi Zimu Kampala, Honka, Rekuga Hoyman, and Bakibale, and Gabu Weju Nejan, but a condition of then again the government has to look into procuring a digitalized system specifically monitoring when we service ye motoka they do that kind of inspection and maybe after 3 months you have to come back for this, maybe after a year you are wants to be on the road. So digitalized system when jakubane yamba that omuntu okuwa email komurab these traffic officers harovu nakova migo if you have speeded or if you have been over speeding they can easily detect you from a distance. Ito bainovugira hanu nakigamba makumi asatu but you are driving in 60. That system can help check, do checks and balances to help, but also to kwenda kuterera na Uganda nyine abakurubata ngudo to reduce on the speed. Reduce on the speed. Utavuga nonywa, utavuga rajua hile rest. The other day was discussing to gamba these cars na munomune nkote zikuvuga nkote buses. At least they should be second driver, co-driver. Sometimes usanga with driver but alimuta conductor atakumanya kuvuga. Also urunta ravugire muhereza humuleho and niko tusobola kuteka obumezi wabagenzi wabakurubata habunkeke because there are very many causes of accidents and this on the road, not only DMCs, other causes, those ones which are preventable to start preventing but also tuteeka mu nkola nti overspeeding has been one of the causes, those behaviors of the drivers. It has to be regulated.
Honorable, andukuhendera Honorable Spilanza. Njendora musaba kutureba eno garuke mu kibuuzo eki. Ino gira government okuleta enkola nkezi ntaba hariho research ezikozwe ninga they just slow ninga bamara gareta ekintu bakitambikaho batabanze kukora okukyondooza kukumara ogaruke mu kibuuzo osibura bakutureba.
Webale muno nintekereza hariho ebintu bibiri buli kintu kiine kiretereza ekintu kyokubanza hasobora kubaho research baitu in most cases owaitu hano hakizire kubaho ebizibu ebizireho abantu batungira muno accident hati batungira muno accident tutangire tutakurora abantu banu baleka kufera hangudo so nintekereza nti research enyakubayireho ebintu ebizire nibibaho ebirozirwe ebi kino ekibatayireho haki ekyokuyahengu emotoka eziri mu nyikarambi hangudo kizire mu nkokubanka omubazi gukutangira abantu kufera hangudo mu accident.
Sibura bakutureba.
Mwebale muna abagonzibwa abali ha TV West enganzi abanyakubayireho kuturora webagirwa hati kandi nimbasima muno kurora mu kyaro ha TV zaitwa TV West hano murora discussion yaitu ya webagirwa hati kandi nimbasaba abantu no murundi ogundi nabo mubeho nimbaraga kandi ito abatoro tali tutebwa kusabira mukama waitu uko turegenta mu studio turozire communication yomuhikirwa ebe negamba ngo mukama ali mu nyikarambi na yetagesara ngoza kusaba buli bantu batori twena n'abanya-Uganda kusabira mukama waitu omurungi ngo mukama ruhanga mugirire mbabazi akiri mwebale muno kuturora mwebale kutuhuliriza kandi mwikale n'obusingi.
Honorable Mucho Francis nogira mu government nebaza kukora okukyondooza ninga omuntu nayinda nasitama aizane na plan agitambika mu bantu ekora katabantu kwekyendeza ntambura z'abantu eyongeza prices z'abantu okutambura atari orusache ekozirwe osibura bakutureba rero tugumize mu
nanisha wangu ekyo wabuze kibuza akabuzo kiheho ebe statement ubwo nicyo wagamba nicyo kishire akabuzo nakiheho. Icya kabiri buri nguto inyingi zo kureba highways hakazo hizwe no beta road worthiness inspection units ziriho wazansanje hari no girebaho konka umbiri kugira ngo bakoze sezo bahereze motoka permits benda barebesa misho bakorese byome byagireho kwereze motoka permits bagengo ishiko rya harbuto ishiko ni zarbuto nyowe nyine motokansi yinyine nishaba kutamu ad blue navuga kilometers zikarenga zikaza harevo yakugira ati yongeramo oil kushit ejo oil niyo kuboneza environment
navuga ngo negira ngo yongeza mu speed
so ntimayisa motokansi yatiziba gukora nibazikora ziyinecho cyo kugira ngo nibatamejo oil ero kureta environment yagume bonire konkara bankuzi ko mu Uganda bazitwara hariyo munankeji ako bakihamu kugira ngo etachukushaba so nusiteko kurangu twagire nkora ero kureta emotoka zitu zamumbera nungi emotoka zitu polisi yareka kuryenguzi rero tukazombiyo yanaga mu nywano wanjogu ebwisa mututu ya speed seat belts ebisa mututu bya speed governors ebisha mututu bya motoka zo kugira ngo mubinge motoka mu Kampala enshonge nkuru tukagirugaho tukazanshongansya ukashanga ngwarga hano bakugira ngo hariya ngwegire black spot
sibura bankore
kashikini black spot hano bano nizankore hatobwe nakananka narga chaza ngati byo mukona harum nankeje magizireki umukono omwe bakugira ngo motoka ntozugwa marengo ntihayita kayina ni uko motoka kano mango kizubuno kona tugisharaho urguto rukabonera konka every year motoka nizugwaho ndebere torobe maziko umushira ari kugamba atizi ari kugira ati hakaferaho nanga haferaho nanga government etuyana abaturikirize turwana senguzi turakore kamateka tubito mu nkora derebisha mututu yaho naro kaberuka dukumu Uganda
ono kaberuka just mudakike mwena no yakubita kike risa gira government ne kora research yo kureta policies in case kazitekaho osibura bakuturira abachegezi
Ecyo kubanza nienda kubasima munonga kutuwa mugisha ko kugira ngo tuganire n'abataka turi bakuguma bo kugira ngo tino bukugu konkani tumanyangu twine experience eri kugambwa eri kubasa kugamba anshongeze sebo ecyo kugira ngo government ikora research, government niyo owner of research konka hino guru kuboine tu utagikozesa nyenda kugambira ngo government niyo owner of research mwenu government research gizireki eruho ekituru kwenda no kugira ngo kozesibweje okurugirira okutwa rero ekya kandi nyina kugira ngo okugikozesa je no kugira ngo twa addressinga problem you troubleshoot waza kugira ngo no massaging no nda kwateki kubeyiha abantu nabwe nibaza kugamba ngo kongo katubeyiha mwe nyina kugira ngo nyowe chabe government eki kugira ngo nekintu cyeshirekiri nekintu kijyo muri muranga ebebe bitwatandika ekisanja akuna kulala turebe ngo hine kitwagira ki ekitwakivinga tagaruke nyuma ebitwa bitwarugire nyinda kusima abanyakinkizi West abampira kagisha ko kugambira mu parliament ya Uganda nyinda kusima abatureba abatukunda nangwa nabo abo twagamba batatu kwateje ekikuru byaba kibasika tutunge feedback konka ekigendererwa nicyo kugira ngo tuboneze Uganda yetu aho kuba tinura gitobonereze ndi turabonereze Uganda yetu
oba mrongo hone basina sinyakato sibira bakutureba hereze intekateka ya umudakikemwe akantu ako
kosi niyo kongera kusaba government and irekali ntujali hiki ya floor ya parliament kuranti abantu bano de abali concerned ensonga zabo twaziteka mu amani kuranti government yaragira buragira bati yabahereza obwire ekintu implementation yagenda mu maiso in a structured manner and also mu phased manner given it ko tubagambire these are low income earners bakotaga obwire but also aba taxi drivers abakusinga bayine motoka eziri mu those dangerous mechanical conditions no nti mwina kulinda obomezi bw'abantu abamukuvuga but also your life matters a lot kulamuki abantu babunyori nywena na mbere mukali abantu ba Hoima City nisemana abarozi ba TV West nywena abatwero obwire na management ya TV West etuhereza omugisa gunu tuongera kubasaba muongere kusabira ehangali inu tusabe Dr. Kano Kiza BSJ Dr. Salongo Lukwago nao mkama kabamba iguru Rukidi Guru Watoro for life but also for peace in this country babale muno kutuhuliriza mukama balindi
oba mnonga abo babale abanyishenjure bitu ningashi abahanuzi bitu okuruga Kigezi Honorable James Kaberuka okuruga mu Jankore Honorable Muyiche Francis okuruga Bunyoro Honorable Asina Sinyakato Deni Toro
Bunyoro
Honorable Asina Sinyakato Deni okuruga Toro Spelanza Baguma Abwoli TV West Jimmy Muhumza ensonga yizoba okuruga Shaisha okukasha italo nyonja kamusibure urare kurungi mwe bari munonga
ensonga y'izuba yabane kushibwa
Kabozi multivitamin drink chikitasyo munsi y'amagara marungi nichikuyambaho kwigura emisi kireta amani masyo mu bashija hamwe n'abakazi n'endijo migasho kwata Kabozi multivitamin drink otuntumura cyubaro na stress